100 calories chocolate cake. Very, very yummy cake. So ingredients: dry and wet. And dry, we have 1 cup of self-raising flour, 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and then we have, I'm going to use brown sugar, 12 tablespoons of brown sugar, just 2 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips, and then wet, we have 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 4 tablespoons of almond butter, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, and 177 milliliters of, you can use milk or you can use water. I'm going to use oats milk. First you mix the dry together, and then we incorporate the wet in the dry. Right, so into the oven for 25 minutes, and see you when it comes out. And it's out of the oven. Look at it. Oh, it looks so good. Very happy with it. Smells really, really good. I'm going to decorate it a bit, but yeah, here we go. 100 calories chocolate cake. See you next time, guys. Take care of yourselves.